Slightly different video today. I've got to go to the dentist. So this is my mode of transport, which is inside my carriage, which has got all sorts of knitting machine cones and oddments and everything else like that in here, as well as all what you know, which is outside. So now I'm going to have to push my scooter out the garage door, which is a bit of a nightmare because it's not very much room, and I tend to collide with everything that I'm going past. But I've not yet mastered the pushing of the driving of the scooter. Oh dear, left hand down a bit. Oh, we've got a van coming up the road here. Designer Woodcraft, whatever that is. Somebody must be having something nice. Right, back into the garage just while I... Oh! Lock the door. Lock the door. That's my garage door. This is the kind of refuse bins we have in the UK, and that's waiting to go for the men from the tip to come and take it away, as is the old sofa. That's my porch, that's my front door. And Gigi is no doubt wondering where on earth I'm going. You have to excuse me. I'm out of puff already and I've only even got on my scooter. Let me put my key away. I don't want to lose it because that's my only way of getting back in the house. Right, off we're going to go. Well, it does help if I switch on, doesn't it? And see if I can manoeuvre myself around. The scooter is very stiff when it's not going anywhere. Right, I'm going out my driveway now. Feet up. Stop. Anything coming? No. Now I know I'm going to scare you because I drive on the wrong side of the road according to most people, but here I go. I'm going to go down Sunny Drive. Now you know why I need a big scooter, because this is the way down for me to go down to the shops. But I'm not going to the shops today, I'm going to the dentist. So this is my way down. As you can see, these are the type of houses. These are like my houses. My houses. Sounds all really posh, don't it? We've got them on either side of the road. As you can see, in the UK we have very narrow streets, which causes a problem with parking, because people cannot park outside their houses because they park on either side of the... Oh, here we go. Nope, car's going down the bottom. That's a nice house with a nice conservatory and an arbour and everything, and nice flowers. Right, obey the highway code, stop at the end because it's a double white line, sorry, not yellow. And off we go. Up the hill. Got a house there that's under offer. And custom built homes. This is, people are having construction done. Oops, I've got something coming down the road towards me. Let's just stop a minute while I let him go by. Somebody's obviously having a lot of work done. That's the other way I can go to my house. Somebody's obviously having work done because of all the construction vehicles. Right, off we go, up the hill. And another car coming down to greet me. You wouldn't think, would you, that I live in a quiet street? Oh, here we go, big wagon. Gonna let him go. Holly pipe. Oh, what a bit of a squeeze he's got. Yeah, I don't want to get in front of him. It's coming out of the builder's yard, which is there. That's the builder's yard. he's going up the hill in front of me. Oh, dearie me. So I'm not going his way today. So we've got a taxi coming out. Oh, I'm going to let him go. Come on, taxi. I like to get rid of everybody. Got somebody coming up behind me. You wouldn't think I lived in a quiet street, would you? This is the Martial Arts Centre. That's another builder's yard there. And that's a street that I can go up. Although it's a dead end, but it's not a dead end for me because I'm not a car. But I'll go this way purely because I want to show you my local chip shop and the picture on the mural on the wall. You know. Somebody else having work done. Must be the season for having your house done. I can hear something coming up behind me. Let him go out of the way. Look both ways. You take your life in your hands coming this way. I could go, but there's a van coming this way. So can I make it between him and this other van coming up? I think I might just be able to do it. Up I go. Somebody else waiting for the council to come and move a sofa, by the look of things. It's autumn, as you can see, all the leaves are on the ground. Yeah. Going up to the village, that's the village up there. On the left hand side now coming up is my local chip shop, which is Chipsat number 8. Number 8 is the name of his. So for those of you who like music, this is the mural that's got made. It's Mark E. Smith, who used to live in Prestwich apparently, and so they painted a big mural of him on the wall. Again, not quite sure why. So it's nice chips, by the way, nice fish. I'm going to cross the road now, if I can get across without being mowed down. I love the way they put signs in the street here so I can't get past, but never mind. And there's just two of the pubs we've got left now. We've got the White Horse. We've got the Railway Naturalist, or the Railway Nats. That's my local bank. With its hole in the wall, its ATM. And that's a little alleyway that goes all the way down to the car park. This is the Anatolian Grill. It's a Turkish restaurant, I believe. And across the road is the Istanbul that we went out for a meal. Want to do a little bit of a diversion now. This is the street I would have come up if I'd have gone up the one that said no entry.
I've been panicking all.
Oh, it didn't say no entry, it said dead end.
When we started, I was just like,
Then we've got the Istanbul, is it Istanbul? No, the Barbers. He does all kinds of barbering. And then we've got houses for sale. These are the type of houses that are for sale around here. 275,000 for a little bungalow. That's the entrance to the shopping area. As you can see, this is a major road. Got another barber's shop here. People just like having their hairs cut. And this is a bar, but it's closed at the moment. And this is Bargain Booze, and it's closed at the moment. Then we've got Array of Bloom flower shop. And that's the pedestrian crossing, which I've just missed. So I'll go down to the next one. Those are charity shops, a bit like your thrift shops, but they don't sell furniture. We've got a jeweller's. Hope I'm not making you dizzy. And that's a letting agency, you know, for houses. And that's a bar again called Prez. Then I've got the dentist here, but it's not my dentist. It's a pricey dentist, so it's not my dentist anymore. That's a nail salon. There's no one in it at the minute. Oh yeah.
Oh, hi. I didn't recognise you for a second.
Yeah, I just